This is what comes inside. This is the Vevor soccer rebound net. And this is what it looks like once we assemble it. Let's go ahead and put it together. I went ahead and separated everything. So here's the net. There's some poles right here, and they're numbered with stickers. You have these ones and these ones. And you have 3 storage bags. You have the elastic ropes to tie the net, the stakes, and some screws. What's cool about these ones, it looks like you just snap them in place because it has the elastic. So you just open it up. It's all together. So this is one side and this is the other side. So let me go ahead and put it together. Here is one of the pieces that have the elastic, which was this one. So really easy to put together because the elastic's already there, and you just snap these in place. So look, it's a really good size. So let's go ahead and snap this one into place. I put up the net. There's a lot more bungees if you want to put it, make it a little bit more tighter. I put 3 on this side, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and this side has 4. And then also there's a target rope. So you just put it through. So you go over, under, over, under. Well, that's at least how I did it. And at the bottom, you have Velcro. So it sticks to it. So I made it a little bit too small, but I'll go ahead and make it work. So you can make your target a little bit bigger than what I did. But this is how it looks. I'm almost done. I'm gonna try this out. Here's a soccer net I'll put together. Works really good, super easy to put together, and really easy to put away.